Can we recover deleted chats on Instagram? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to find out whether we can recover deleted chats on Instagram or not, or at least what we can do when the messages go missing. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, can you fully recover deleted Instagram chats? Unfortunately, no. Once you manually delete a chat on Instagram, it's permanently removed from your account, and Instagram doesn't offer a built-in recovery options after deletion. But don't worry, here are two methods that you might try that can help you to recover or retrieve your lost messages. So here method 1, that is to download your Instagram data. So simply open the Instagram app, and now here once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your profile section. Now from here, you simply have to tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your settings and activities section, you just have to tap on the account center at the top. And now here, once you are inside the account center, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as your information and permissions. And now here inside this section, you just tap on download your information. And after that, just tap on download or transfer information. And here you just have to select all available information. And after that, you just have to tap on download to device. And once you have done that on the new page, you have to select the date range, you have to select the format and the media quality. And after that, you can just tap on create file and you can just send a request download. And once the request is received, Instagram will mail you a zip file of your account data. So you can just open the file and locate the messages and search for the old chats. But note that the deleted chats won't appear if they were removed before the request. And here, with that, moving forward to the last method, that is to ask the other person. So deleted messages disappear only from your site. So other person you were chatting with will still have the access to it. So here, unless they deleted it too, just ask them forward or screenshot the messages that you have lost and ask them for that messages. And that's it. While you can't recover deleted chats directly from Instagram, this workarounds might help you to retrieve what you need. And with this video, if you found it helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.